I'm nervous as hell. But gotta trust your gear, right? Want to give a shout out to Tweetfpv. He really helped me out with getting the RSSI for my R9 into my goggles. Appreciate you, bro. All right.
With the wind, we are free falling now. No choice but to trust this as we go into the void. We are standing, staring into empty space, asking all our questions, answers we can't trace. Is this all there is? Is this all there is? I feel the waves of the change reflect on everything we know. How do you stand out from the infinite? The rate of growth.
Yeah, that sketched me out, man. RSI was going crazy. I need to be better. I need to go get better. Oh well, at least I got us a little bit of dope ass footage. New spot, no water. RSSI test.
It's hard to keep up with under a diamond sky. Everyone wants to shine under a diamond sky. Everyone wants to shine. We are all connected to each other now, reaching new dimensions as we go into the void. Moments away from our one true destiny. Time won't slow down at all, like a bird set free. It will fly to the heights of its whole life. Do not hesitate in flight. Just reach the waves of the change reflect on everything we know.
Look, and not even a bent prop. Oh, that was fucking awesome.
Yeah.
Under a diamond sky, everything starts to shine. Greetings chosen, I've been waiting here for you since the beginning of this universe.
still got kicked in the little side. Oh, prop gone. That's why she wouldn't take off. Okay, no problem. We got a fix for that. Shit.
There's a secret power hidden in your soul. Don't be afraid to use it, 'cause you're the one. You're the one. You're the one. You're the one. 'Cause you're the one. You're the one. You're the one. You're the chosen one. You're the one. You're the one.
Oh, jeez. Let's get a picture of that.
You're the one. You're the chosen one. Greetings, chosen. I've been waiting here for you since the beginning of this universe. You know the world is fading. There's a secret power hidden in your soul. Don't be afraid to use it. There are voices in your head saying that